The New South Wales NSW Government has introduced several financial incentives to help residents and businesses transition to solar power and battery storage. The Solar for Apartment Residents (SOAR) grant program enables apartment residents, including renters, to benefit from government support. Under this initiative, the NSW government will cover 50% of the total cost, up to $150,000, for installing solar photovoltaic (PV) systems in apartment complexes. Under the Peak Demand Reduction Scheme (PDRS), homeowners and business owners in NSW can receive rebates of up to $2,400 for upgrading to battery energy storage systems. This scheme, introduced in 2022 and running until 2050, is designed to reduce peak electricity demand, ensuring a more stable and efficient power grid. Through the Energy Savings Scheme (ESS), NSW residents can receive incentives ranging from $120 to $400 for connecting their battery energy storage system to a virtual power plant (VPP). This incentive can be claimed twice over 3 years. The initiative aims to reduce emissions by 70% by 2035 and achieve net zero emissions by 2050. Under the Energy Savings Scheme (ESS), homeowners and businesses can receive incentives ranging from $190 to $670 for upgrading to energy-efficient heat pump water heaters. These systems consume less energy, lower electricity costs, and help achieve NSW's net zero emissions target by 2050. Residents and businesses in the NSW South Coast region can receive a $4,950 discount on the Tesla Powerwall 2 as part of the Smart Distributed Batteries project. This initiative is part of the first NSW government-funded virtual power plant (VPP) and is designed to enhance energy reliability and efficiency.